Hi everyone again. This is Oscar again, and as always, we're still gonna get continue with our full tutorial course on how you are going to create an e-commerce platform on builderall. And as always, we're gonna have to share the screen with you so we can go further. Okay. And actually, we've already here in our dashboard. Same thing, we have our pattern here. And we're just gonna go continue working on the project that we are doing, which is the one that we've left last time, setting up the uh, buy button scarcity on your product itself. And today, I don't want to miss anything, as I've mentioned before, right? We are still here. Do you remember last time we did the all this thing here, adding into our dashboard? Okay, so I'm gonna keep doing all this, and as I promised before, we're gonna have some layout here, a little design that will look more appealing to our audience, and that is what we are going to do right now. Okay, so before I told you that I'm thinking about adding another badge here, but I can see that I think this is literally just fine right now. And so for us not to do, the whole process again, adding all this, what I'm gonna do, since I don't have the actual payment system here yet, right? So I'm not just gonna, for me not to do over and over again, right? So I think you've seen the things that we have done in that part. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna have to duplicate all this, and that is the fastest way to do when you are creating a product inside the builder all, right? So if you forgot what I did, here, basically you just need to go back and watch the video that I did before. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this, duplicate them literally, so you'll see that it's duplicate itself, right? So you know what I mean, I don't need to do it over and over again, because you know what, time is money. Okay, so we can do other things, right? Like the layout that I'm trying to tell you last time, right? How it's gonna look more pleasing to our audience. Okay, so here, you know what I can do? I think I would create another. Oh no, I'll put this together. I think that's the best thing here. And this is a different product, remember? Yes, remember? So this is going to be a different product. And what we're going to do here now, instead of this product here, I'm going to replace this to the what? The elephant pillow, right? Do you remember last time? This is the product for the infant. So that's what we are going to uh, upload or get from our computer, right? So I might gonna have need to have more of the variants, right? So I'm gonna bring all this inside our dashboard on Builder All. So that's what I'm going to do right now, because we have all those already. This one, we don't have this yet. So I'm gonna take all this inside our platform. There you go. Bam. Okay. So I'm gonna have this right there, as you can see, but it changed the size, right? The size changed because it's more of a, I think, is it vertical or, yeah, it's more of a vertical. I want to grab the vertical image instead, because I don't want to, you know. get this thing screw up, So I want to leave it the same size as image that we can have. Probably this one works. Let's try this. There you go. And I want to have this here. Having hard time. Okay. So this one here, I want to grab another variant. So I want to have, you know, oh no. Okay, let's change this. Probably we'll grab, hmm, it all looks the same. There you go. This one here. That one is better. And we need to add more. Probably, because there are here. Just for this tutorial sake, I'm gonna have to use this instead. This one. All right. One more and we're done. Okay. One more. Let's try this. Let's try this. Oh no, change the actual, you know, size. Just not much up because we need the vertical images. Anyway, for now, I'm gonna have to leave it this way. Probably I'm gonna move this over here. Okay. There you go. Yeah, I think this one works. Okay. There you go. All right. So save it. That's most important thing. You always have to save your everything that you are doing. Okay. You need to save just to be okay. And here we are going to replace, okay, a different product here, the elephant or the infant pillow. That's what we're going to have here. Add the image, of course, save it, and then we try to take that out, delete them, and then add the blue variant color. This one here, you want to have all your images as much as possible, or the color or the variant, the size. If it's the size, you want to have all those on your, there you go. And then this one here, and one more here. Okay, I think that should be good. There you go. And I think it's pretty, it's almost done. So you notice we didn't, spend so much time doing it again, right? So it's done, literally done, right? And here now we can add the design, right? If you need to, the one that I'm telling you that we can add design here, and also the setup here, the returns, put all this into the right pages, okay? So save it first, and let's see the actual website itself, okay? There you go. Save it. Okay, and I'm gonna go into the live website, okay? Check that out. I repress them. Bam! There you go. OMG, it looks beautiful. I don't know. For me, it looks good, right? Better than what Shopify does, I guess, right? Right? So, mm-hmm. Because we have one niche product that we are selling, so we don't have a lot of images or product here because we only have a niche product, right? A targeted niche product that we have. And in our next video, we have I have to create a general product, which is the one that I actually working on my client as at this time. They will have a kind of like a well health wellness product that they want to sell online, and that's what is going to be my presentation for the general product that I'm going to share with you. Okay. All right. So going back, there you go. See, we didn't spend a lot of time here doing the same thing, right? And later I can change this because we don't have an actual price yet. We didn't set up the actual price yet. So, and the link, right? Here. All right. So that what basically is. And now we're gonna come up to the design and the link on these pages. Okay. So we'll take that out. We go back to our editing platform right now. So the first thing we need to do is the design. Okay. We're going to have a little design here. Not a lot, but a little, just, probably I'll start here. I'll start here. Okay. I want to add something here, which is we kind of like want to have like a you know a wave, kind of like a 3D design here. Wait, which one will I use? Wait here. I think we could use the parallax. Let's see and try this one, the parallax. There you go. The panel divider, let's make it active and let's check this out. Okay, where is that? This thing here. Okay, but I don't want to kind of like this wave setup, waves floating. I want to have, you know, when you are creating an e-commerce, you want to be, as simple as possible. Simplicity is, you know, since we are, I think I'm gonna have, okay, let's try this. Let's try this color here. Yeah, we want to have this, the blue color for the pillow, and you need to have a palette, right? The If you're doing a branding, you need to have a color palette. Okay, but for now I'm just gonna have this. This is just a testing, right? A kind of like, and then the black thingy here, I want to replace this to probably maybe white. I don't know, white works. Yeah, white works. No, or maybe another color. Let's try maybe this one here. If I would do this, no, I think I'll just stick to white and probably, yeah, leave it that way. The blue, it's kind of like a strike wave. That's it, I guess. And probably we change this color into like a little, wait, hang on. We'll change this color to probably, yeah, gray maybe. Let's try give it a gray color. Just to, yes, gray would be good, I think. Just to have a separation, right? You want to have kind of like, separate the color from, white to, and we're just gonna grab those, okay? Copy. And here, I want to have this color here, the parallax. Let's see the white one. Let's see the white one. Final divider. Yeah, the one that was here, I think it need to be, this is the F, right? This is the one here. Nope, that's the white. And let's see the first color. This is the first color. Yeah, this one here. You want to match this color into the gray on the bottom right here. Okay, so we'll copy those and paste. Didn't work out. Okay, where is that one? I'm kind of like confused now. There you go. I think this one is better. Yeah, that match up the gray color. That one match up the gray color. I guess. There you go. Let me see the look, how it's look like actual. And save it first. I think you guys have different, the way you want, right? So you can always play around with the design here, right? So for me, I think that's the simplest way I can, add a little background on my pages, right? So that's how I do it, right? So wait a minute. Now I want to have not the wave, but just the, wait a minute, just the regular one, the curve, okay? That's the one. So the black one, we want to have this one here, okay? Uh, as turn it into gray. You want to match up what you have here. So it will go with the right flow, okay? So the yellow, you want to have that into, of course, the first color, yeah, the blue that we have in there. So you need to have a color palette, the number, precisely when you are creating a branding, okay? You need to have an actual right size or right color for each. Otherwise, people will be like, oh, you guys are, have different colors. And so if you're branding, so basically what I'm going to do is I will copy the palette on this. Next time I will do that. I don't want to do it right now. I'm just gonna kind of like matching up. Let's see. That one is, I think, the closest. And that's it. Save it. Okay. For now. There you go. Save it. And let's see how it's look like in the actual website. Okay. Refresh them. There you go. There you go. So, that's it. So basically we only did here in this part here. And here I might gonna do a different one. Okay. So let's try a different one here. So basically we just added the curve here, right? And let's try the other one if we can create or add another sense of like design here. Probably, let me see if this, let me see if I could do one here, if it's look better, or maybe it's better not to do it. Okay. So let's give it a try and go to the border. No, not the border, the configuration. In our configuration, let's see if we can find arrow here. Is it arrow is a nice one? Or maybe I could go probably not the arrow. Maybe I'm gonna grab this, duplicate them, and have maybe a divider. Let's see. You will find out what I want. Okay. Copy this image and change it. I want to create a divider. hmm The frame. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Or maybe the overlapping banners. Okay. It's just taking time, yeah, for all this. Okay, let's try this. Okay. I might gonna have this. I'll give this a try, or the blue color here. Let's give this a try. There you go. Okay. Here is what I'm gonna do. Okay. Let's see if this one looks better. I think it's look better, right? Just kind of like, you want to add a feeling of a design, right? The lines, you know what I mean? There you go. Let's see. Wait a minute. Let's check this out. All right. If it's not looks appealing, then you can, you can literally change it, or don't want to put it at all. No. So I think let me see. Let me see. I want to check this out. Y- This is the thing when creating a website. You need to, experiment, right? Things that would work or not. Okay. So let's check that out. Let's check. All right. I think it's this is the only thing. The Once you move this cursor, and this is what happened. I think it's okay, right? And literally that is the design, right? You kind of like added a curve, the lines here, and I think it's cool, right? Let's check this out. Good. The only thing is when you move this down, this thing is kind of like going up, and I think it's pretty cool, right? It's decent, right? So you can see the design at least, right? A little design. Well, for me, I'm okay with that. I know some of you will kind of like say, oh, that looks ugly, but it's your preference. How do you want your website look like? Okay. And for me, this is cool. This is nice. And I like it. Okay. I love it. So, yeah, I think for now, I think you know, the entire home page is literally done. Okay, we have the header, we got all the banner here set up nice. We have the content, cloud pillow made in heaven. I did my branding here, the features product, the images is done, and the thumb images, the product description is here, the pricing, the scarcity, the discount, the buy now button, the the banners, right? The badge banners, you know. So same thing here. We just duplicate and Here I'm just gonna change the product description here because this one is for the pregnant pillow, and we replace this to infant pillow, and the pricing as well we might gonna change that, but literally everything is set, I think, and we just have to link this to the payment pool process. And also this one is the design I want. I think it's cool. The color is fine. It's according to the brand color that we wanted. And here we have a little design here on email, the banner or the panel that was here. We get the testimonial image here. We might gonna add a pricing here as well, and a link button to the main page. Okay, and I think we never done this yet, so I think we might just do that right now. Okay, we'll take this out and we'll go back to. I'm just gonna save it. We still have 9 minutes, so we still have time to do that. Okay, there you go. Here's the thing here that I'm telling you. We need to link, the shipping, right? The shipping goes to the shipping, of course, page here, the shipping and return policy. That's where we're to put that one. And I think I'm gonna returns. Let's see. Do we have a returns here? It's the same thing. Shipping and return policy. I might gonna take the other one here. Okay, we'll take that away. The shipping, the refund policy will need to be, we need to add a refund policy here anyway. Okay, we need to add the refund page, and which one is that? The privacy policy. Okay, there you go. Save it. Let's check that out. Let's see where will it goes once we click that button. Okay, we go on the live site. We refresh them again, and we're gonna go all the way to the footer, and let's check it out. Oh no, it didn't. So there is no shipping page, that's for sure. There's no shipping page. The refund policy should go in the refund policy home. So it didn't goes to the right uh, place. There's no refund. Shipping and refund. Okay. Shipping and return policy. And that's what we did, right? Let me see. Shipping should go on the shipping and return policy. Okay, that's where it goes, supposedly. And the refund policy need to go to the, okay, I'm gonna create that right away. Okay, refund policy. And we need to have that. It's important. There you go. There you go here. It is important. Okay, refund policy. And in order to determine that you have that actual page, we need to add a panels right away. So we know that that panel is active, literally. So we just gonna have to have this for now. So we will find out that if that page is literally active, okay? So now we go back to this thing here now. Okay. So we'll refresh this. We'll reload them. taking a while. Just bear with me. We're almost done here. It's only like 5 minutes. So, okay, let's see what happened here. Okay, let's check this out. Let's go back and let's see where it should go. The shipping return policy goes there, and the refund must be in the refund page itself. So go on the page, refund, there you go. And the privacy policy, where's the privacy policy is there. You select them and save it. Okay. And now we'll check it out. Okay. Gonna go. I'm just gonna remove all this for now. Okay. Okay. This is the one that we did. We refresh them. Let's see it. Check it out. Shipping should go to the shipping. Yeah, it's right here. Since we don't have any content yet, it goes back to the home page, okay? But as you can see, it's under the shipping and return policy page. And if we click the refund policy, this is the one, the dummy panels that we did. As you can see, there's a refund policy page. It actually goes to the right pages. And here, since it doesn't have any panels yet or content, it goes to the home page. That's how it should be, okay? And you will literally see that it goes on the privacy policy page here. And basically, we did pretty much, you know, perfect here. Everything working just fine. And yeah, that's it. We've done all this, the first page on the home page is done, literally done. Okay. So next time we're gonna do the shop, the stories about, and the contact us. And we'll do that in our next video. I hope again you find value and also you've learned from this tutorial at this time right now. Anyway, we'll see you again in our next video. Have a good day. Bye.